StreamShare is a unique feature that Switchboard Live offers that allows you to invite other people to authorize their social media destinations to your Switchboard Live workflow so that you can not only stream to your pages, but their pages as well. You might ask, why would I need to do this? Big reason is, say you have a guest speaker on your upcoming stream, and they come to you and ask if they can stream to their social media channels as well. StreamShare is a great way to easily invite those people, and also avoids them having to share their social media login information, which can sometimes be not very secure. It allows them to basically authorize everything on their own by sending an email invite directly from Switchboard. So we're going to dive in how to send a Switchboard Live StreamShare invite. So we're going to click on the plus sign to add a new destination. But instead of choosing new destination or existing destination, we're going to choose the StreamShare option. The first thing we want to do is let the person know what the stream is going to be about. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be an event. It could be a series of streams that you're doing with them, but you would want to enter this information here. In the description, I always recommend putting something like, please join us. And the third field you'll see is request expiration, event, and date. So basically, if you leave this blank, their social media page will be authorized within your Switchboard account for as long as you need, and you can always manually take them off at a later date. However, if you put a date in here, after that date, their social media destination will be unauthorized within the Switchboard account, basically not allowing you to stream to their page anymore. That comes in handy if someone wants to stream your video for one event and one event only. So I'm just going to leave that blank for now. And we're going to click the green next button. So this is where you'd actually send the invite. So I'm just going to pretend that I am sending an invite to myself. Next, we're going to put in the email address. And you'll notice that there's a contact phone number field. This is not required at all. I'd recommend not putting anything in there, but we're not going to call that person at all. So next thing we want to do is click Send Invite. You will then get a notification at the bottom of the screen that an invite has been sent to that person, allowing them to share their social media pages to your workflow. And just know that you will receive an email notification when someone does authorize their social media destinations. And they can obviously authorize not just one, but all of their social media pages if you need to. So once you have received a notification that someone has shared their social media account to your Switchboard Live account, you need to go and add it as an existing destination to your Switchboard Live group. In order to do that, we're going to click the gray plus sign and choose Existing Destination. And that person's shared social media page will be listed under your existing destinations, allowing you to choose that page and add it to your Switchboard Live group. And StreamShare, again, is a very powerful feature, and it is unique to Switchboard. It allows you to really expand that audience, and it will gain you more followers because you're basically doubling your exposure to your channel. You're not only streaming to your channels, but the channels to the person you're using StreamShare with.